Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes Benz C Class. So from any screen here you've got, there you go, that just brings the menu up. We go across to telephone, click on telephone, and then again you bring the menu up by just clicking back towards you. You've got there connect device or options. Now you wouldn't necessarily go for connect device, but that's the one to go for. It then brings up a list of phones which can be connected, and you see mine at the top with a little menu at the side. So we knock the control across, and there you see Deauthorize. Click Deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone? Select yes, click yes. So we'll just do that again. So as you can see, there's no menus there. If you click the control backwards towards you and then select connect device, although we don't want a connect device, we want to delete. So connect device brings up a list of phones that can be connected. You highlight the one that you want to delete. The menu's over here, so a sideways click of the control here, the rotary control, deauthorize, details, reception volume, transmission volume. We want to deauthorize, click deauthorize. It defaults to no, we turn it across to yes and click yes. That's it gone.